Having trouble uploading videos on TikTok from your iPhone? This could be due to a weak internet connection, app glitches, or other issues. Don't worry, in this video, I'll walk you through how to fix the problem of TikTok not uploading videos on your iPhone. Let's dive in and get started. Before doing anything else, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now try airplane mode on and off. After that, try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Sync TikTok app. First, open up the Settings app. Then tap on the Apple ID profile. After that, tap on iCloud. Next, tap on the See All. After that, scroll down and find the TikTok app. Make sure to toggle it on. Solution 2. Allow TikTok photo access. Open up the Settings app again. Now scroll down to the bottom. Tap Apps. After that, find the TikTok app. Tap on it. Now tap Photos. Now make sure to select Full Access. Solution 3. Clear TikTok data. Go to the TikTok app. After that, tap on the profile icon from the bottom. Then tap on the 3 lines icon from the top. Next, tap Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down and tap Free Up Space. Now tap Clear to reduce the cache. After that, go back to Home and force close the TikTok app from the recent tab. Solution 4. Offload TikTok app. First, open up the Settings. Then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Now scroll down and find the TikTok app. Next, tap on TikTok. Then tap Offload. And again, tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall it. That's a wrap. I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to hit the like button if you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.